The Passionate Shepherd to His Love by Christopher Marlowe. Come live with me and be my love, and we will all the precious prove that valleys, groves, hills, and fields, woods, and steepy mountain, and we will sit upon the rocks, seeing the shepherd feed their flocks. By shallow the river to falls, melodious birds sing madrigals, and I will make a bed of roses and 1,000 fragrant of roses, a cup of flower and a kirtle embroidered with all leaves of myrtle, a gown made of finest wool, which from our pretty lamb we pull, a fair-lined slipper for the cold, with a buckle of the purest gold, a belt of straw and ivy buds, with coral clubs and amber stand. And if this pleasure may thee move, come leave me and be my love. The shepherd's wings shall dance and sing thy delight each May morning. And if this delight thy mind may move, come leave me and be my love.